Keep this solution file in a separate folder on Google Drive. Click Setup folder. Once the template folder created, inside that folder, you can find a template file along with the PDF folder. Now the next step is to query the database. Click Admin and then click Query Database. Enter your query criteria in Sidebar widget. Script will then return the query result in Dataset sheet. After generating query result, it's time to create a tax certificate in document format. Click Admin Options menu, and then click Generate Tax Certificate. This will generate a copy of tax certificate with the query results in template folder on Google Drive. Script will also record the log of generated document in tax certificate log sheet. Last step is to create a PDF of generated tax certificate and send it via email. Click Admin Option menu and then click Send PDF Certificate. Let's check the PDF folder to view a newly created PDF tax file. Now let's go to the email account to check if we have received an email with PDF.